Hello and welcome to the Young Turks Dream Jacket. I'm Shireen Khan. Over the next 30 minutes, we travel the length and breadth of the country to bring you India's young entrepreneurial talent. That's on Young Turks on the Road. On the Young Turks tutorial, we give a young startup a chance to be mentored live on television. And on the YT Buzz, we tell you about everything that's hot and happening in the world of entrepreneurship. So catch a quick glimpse of what we have lined up. Our first guest makes money by getting you to make money. Girish Batra started NetAmbit in 2000. Essentially, it's a company that retails financial service products. Today, he sells everything from insurance schemes to pension plans to mutual funds. He's got about 4,000 employees. He's spread across 150 locations. He's already got 100 crore rupees in funding and is looking at going public in 2014. Shruti Mishra hits the road to find out more about Girish Batra and NetAmbit. I'm at Girish Batra's office, the man who's created NetAmbit. A financial services company, NetAmbit has turned in revenues of over 100 crore rupees since its launch in 2000 and has 1.5 lakh customers every year on its platform. Girish now has plans to take NetAmbit to a 350 crore rupee venture and also explore a potential listing by 2014. Let's find out how.
From being a salesman going door to door to building an over 100 crore rupee financial services venture, Girish Batra sure has come a long way. Breaking away from the traditional sales approach, Girish believed that an efficient selling technique was just a phone call away. Cold calling potential customers to sell financial services products, Girish along with his co-founders launched NetAmbit in 2000. Retailing insurances, home loans, pension plans and even credit cards, NetAmbit today plans to dial in a turnover of 160 crore rupees by this fiscal. But what made Girish believe that the combination of retail and financial services could work?
What we realized as an organization that there was a big gap in the market, so from a consumer's perspective, while the financial services sector was opening up and there were a lot of products, a lot of brands available in the market, and it was a new experience for Indian consumer who were largely being used to dealing with PSU banks or PSU life insurance companies. So we thought maybe it would be a good idea to really try out a financial services supermarket model wherein we really reach out to the consumers and really explain to them what those products are all about, and we also offer them all the options.
So why is there a need for a third party like NetAmbit? Because financial institutions themselves have a reach to their own consumers. So why the need to partner with you?
If I were to take a home loan and if I walk into a bank branch, I really just get to see that particular loan that bank is offering, their own brand. If I want to do a comparison, maybe the internet savvy consumers today can go to internet and there are search engines which they can look at and compare various brands. Whereas a consumer which is typically a tier 2, 3 or 4 town consumer who are really not that internet savvy, I think that's where a company like us really kind of comes into picture.
So, you've basically created a one-stop shop for all financial services products. How do you push customers? How do you target your customers that for them this particular brand is going to work, this particular policy we have to sell to these? Is there an arrangement like that?
We are brand agnostic. We give options to the consumers. We tell the consumers pros and cons of every brand which is available with us, and then we let the consumer help in deciding what brand suits the consumer best. But we don't push any specific brand, be it on the insurance side, be it on the mortgages side, be it on the corporate FD side.
Alright, Forbes has called you the kings of non-affinity. How do you actually go and get a client?
I think Forbes has referred to our a direct marketing model wherein they have referred to us as kings of non-affinity. That's a very unique model, Shruti. We have call centers which really work on a cold database wherein we just take anybody, and our belief is that every Indian household in this country needs some kind of a financial product. So we take any cold database, any name and number is good enough for us, and we call out on those numbers. We try to assess the need of the consumer or that family. Then a very high quality lead is made, and there is a process involved in making that lead, so there are multiple rounds of discussion with the consumer. Once our supervisors believe believe, that it's a very high quality lead. That lead is sent to the market, to our feet on streets, and they go and meet the client as per a prior appointment. And you'll be happy to know that we get as high as 50 to 60% conversion on those leads. We have a more than 200 member strong post-sale service team which really focuses on all this. So we ensure that there is no inconvenience which is caused to the consumer. We do the complete coordination, like fixing an appointment with the doctor, fixing appointment with the consumer. In most of the cases, our person will go with the consumer to the doctor's place for getting the medical start.